Hey everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. It is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Terry and Scott have taken me out to Golden Corral and we're going to eat the buffet. Yummy. This is plate 1 and it is a full delicious plate. Got mashed potatoes, carrots there, corn, macaroni and cheese, cabbage, and beef brisket.
Hussy puppies there?
Yeah, hussy puppies. Some hush puppies. Plate number 2. Oh my god, I'm so full. This is plate number 3. I can't even do much dessert. But everything is chocolate. Yummy.
We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea. But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be.
Oh my goodness, that was so delicious and I am so full. I could only eat 2 plates. Normally I can eat 3, but I couldn't eat it. I couldn't do it. Plus my dessert. I could definitely go for a nap, but I'm gonna actually go for a walk and try to walk some of this off. Plus Moo-moo wants to get out of the RV. They've made my birthday just wonderful. They also got me a birthday cake. Happy birthday, Aja. Like I said, I'm way too full to have anything else, so we're probably just gonna cut this up tomorrow and we can have this tomorrow. And also, they had gotten me more sweets because I have the worst sweet tooth. And look, sour Skittles, one of my favorite things. I love sour Skittles. Thanks again, Terry and Scott. I really do appreciate that. They're some awesome friends. I did spoil myself a little bit and I ended up getting me something. Some of you might know that I'm into gaming, and so I ended up getting me an Xbox One. I've been wanting to get it, but I have just been putting it off. But since it's my birthday, I was like, why not? So, and also I want to send a special thank you to Kathy. She had sent me something in the mail as well, and it's just weird. It's just around my birthday, but I'd gotten it a little while ago, but I definitely consider it a birthday present. Thank you, Kathy. I appreciate it. She said she didn't need it or want it and wondered if I could use it. It is a portable lithium power bank. This is freaking awesome. It does come with a solar panel. This is the Yeti 400 and it has 2 plugs, a DC port, and also it tells you, has a lot of information about how much power it's using or how much power is coming in. And it has USB spots here. It's a wonderful thing. I've already tested it out. I've tested it out for probably 3 or 4 days and it is wonderful. I really like it. So Kathy, thank you again. I really do appreciate this. It comes with a 100-watt solar panel. I haven't hooked it up to the panel yet. I've just been plugging it in and charging it that way. But I do plan on getting it set up, put it in place, and then I'll do a whole review about it in another video and tell you all the specs and how I like it. But so far, I think it's wonderful. So this makes the 2nd year that I haven't been around my family for my birthday. Last year I was with Scott and Terry and also Carolyn for my birthday. That was a wonderful birthday too. And I was kind of worried about how celebrating your birthday would be on the road. But since I have traveling friends, it's been wonderful so far. I have spent a birthday by myself on the road, and I mean, it was great, but there's nothing like sharing your birthday with people, and it was awesome. So thank you. I love everyone out there. We're actually going to take a walk, and because I need to go walking. I'm so stuffed like a turkey that I need at least a mile or 2. Okay, I'm gonna stick my cake in the refrigerator for tomorrow. I'm gonna put my other goodies up, and then we're going to go for a walk. Moo-moo says, heck yeah. Moo-moo is excited, right? Whoop whoop. I'm so ready to go for a walk. Terry and Scott said they were going to join me. We're just probably going to go for about a mile. And we are parked right behind Shields. We called and asked for permission, and they said it would be okay to overnight in the back parking lot. So that's what we're going to do. So they have an awesome lake right there, which is right behind. It's really pretty. Kind of reminds me of a nature preserve. It is a bit under construction. They have a pile of rocks here, a pile of gravel there. I think they're sprucing up the place a bit. The sun is getting ready to go down, so I guess we should get going. So you can actually hear the sound of nature right before dusk. It's really beautiful. When we drove in, there were like, what was there, like 20 or 30 blackbirds. Yeah, it was tons of them. They were just swarming right around this area.
It's beautiful sounding over here.
Yeah, it's really pretty. It looks like an alien egg. The rock looks weird. Alright, so there's an upper trail here. We're just gonna go for a little short walk.
Look how beautiful this is.
This is really pretty. Look at that. I wasn't expecting the water here.
Wow, yeah, that was not expected at all. How gorgeous.
So what is that, Scotty?
Oh, you would open this up and it would control the pond over there. So if they wanted to fill that pond up more,
I see
depending
it's
on
an
this,
inlet for it.
yeah,
You just turn that valve.
you would turn it and open it up.
Huh.
So it must be probably open a little bit already.
It's pretty
Yeah,
deep
it looks
right
like
there,
something's going in.
too. Oh, yeah.
Cause it,
Then it should come out this side on this pipe then. It's probably leveled itself out.
yeah, because the water's already kind of full to there, so.
Pretty neat.
They have these sunflowers growing everywhere. So beautiful.
Look, I think it is. It is.
What is it?
It's a,
Oh, a painted rock.
Yeah.
What does it say?
Keeper Rehide, Post Pick 2, Billings Rocks.
Billings Rocks. That is
Yeah.
so cool.
Okay, well, we'll rehide it.
Put it up in the tree. Or are you gonna take it further down?
Let's take it further down.
Okay.
I don't know.
So they even have a dock here. A fishing dock. It's just a floating one.
Oh, those birds.
Oh. Steep, steep, steep.
Okay, let's hide. I'm gonna do the same little trick that they did.
Hide it under something?
Yeah.
Well, maybe I shouldn't show this just in case. Well, maybe they can
No,
come
if you
find
do,
it.
Then you'll know where it's at. Let's do it right here. We'll do like they did. So it just looks like some gold hanging out there.
There you go.
There. All right.
So you're like, oh my god, I found a big chunk of gold. Oh no, I didn't, dang it. Okay, so I'm going to take a walk on this. It feels weird. Oh, duckies. They're like, hey. Oh yeah, this feels really weird. Ugh. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
I wonder if it's chained down or if I can just push it out.
You probably could. Don't push it out while I'm on it, though. Yeah, the duck agrees. He said quack. What you think, Moo-moo? She's usually weird about things like this, but it doesn't seem to bother her. She's smelling. I think she probably smells some fish. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, when you get to this side, it really leans. That doesn't feel good at all. Wow, look at that. It really leans this way. I don't like it. Wait, hold on. I gotta turn around. Okay, there we go.
You gotta have sea legs.
I know, that was weird.
I need to bring gloves with me though when I do it.
Terry found some new treasure.
Yeah,
She likes to,
I like to pick up a little bit of garbage
as she
when we're
goes.
walking.
Right.
Put it where it goes.
Moo-moo, wrong side. Nope. Go this way. Good girl. Go. Go. Good girl.
I wanted ice cream cone at Golden Corral, but I know I'd be regretting it, so.
Yeah, I was done. I can't
Yeah.
eat anymore.
We usually grab the cotton candy for the kids, but
Oh, I
they don't
totally
eat this
forgot about the
anymore.
cotton candy. Dang it.
But we never can eat that because it's so sugary.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But it's fun to give to the kids and let them get all spun up.
Yeah.
that's why they're so crazy. There's the store that we're parked behind. Oh my god, there is actually a carousel inside. I don't know if you can see it. I'll zoom in. Can you see the carousel inside the window? That's so neat. God, that would have to be a huge store inside. What? A blue herring?
It's right over here. Look.
Oh, there's a... Wait, Terry just pointed out that there's a nest on top of that pole there. That nest is huge.
Yeah, I think it's that blue heron.
Look at that view and those colors. That is amazing. Looks like a painting.
Beautiful.
Well, we've come to the end of the trail. I believe this is private property, you said?
Well, I see a sign the other way over there.
Where? Oh, okay, yeah. In the distance.
Yeah.
Alright, so time to turn around.
America's Most Wanted. They shave your head off.
Honestly.
Ew, it does look weird. What is that? Oh, that's like deer.
No, I
Moo-moo!
Get
Get away from
think
that.
it's somebody that had red hair and tried to hide. And they
Moo-moo! Stop it!
Shave their head.
That looks gross and weird.
I don't know what that is.
Huh.
Is it
It's
human
blood.
hair?
It's human hair.
No, that's not human. That's animal hair.
You think
Yes.
that's blood?
Yeah, I think it's blood.
Oh.
It's the
that's even
remains of a
nastier.
carcass.
Ew.
Disgusting.
Okay.
Now we just got to find the rest of it.
Well, at least we get to enjoy this beautiful sky on the walk back.